In this video, we want to talk about one of the most important theorems you're going to learn in a first semester calculus course. The theorem is called the intermediate value theorem. And as we talk about this theorem in this video, I want you to think about the words intermediate value and see how they actually apply in this particular theorem. So let's look closely at the theorem itself. And the theorem states that we should let f of x be a continuous function on a closed interval ab, and let k be any value between f of a and f of b. Then there must exist a value c in the closed interval ab such that f of c is equal to k. So if we look at this, it's like k is an intermediate value between f of a and f of b, and there's some value c on the x-axis between a and b that gives you that value of k. So we're going to look more closely at how this all works. So remember, we break all theorems down into the conditions that must be satisfied and then conclusions. So the conditions for our intermediate value theorem are that f of x is continuous on the closed interval ab, and k is somewhere between f of a and f of b. So we must have a continuous function on the closed interval ab, and then we choose a value k somewhere between f of a and f of b. If that's done, then the conclusion of the theorem says that there has to be a c in the closed interval ab such that when we plug that value c into the function, it's going to give us that value k. So let's take a look at a graph and see how this works. So we have our function f of x, and we have an interval ab on the x-axis. And so we're going to plug a into the function, and we'll get f of a. We'll plug b into the function, and we'll get f of b. Now we're going to select a value k somewhere in between f of a and f of b. And the theorem says that there's got to be a value c somewhere on that x-axis between a and b, such that when you plug c into the function, you end up with k. And so note that k is between f of a and f of b, and that's chosen first. And then there must be a value c between a and b that when plugged into the function gives you the value on the y-axis, which is k. In our next video, we'll actually look at some applications of the intermediate value theorem.